Basic HTML and CSS Part 3. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is demonstrate or show what I want you to do using Dreamweaver, but I don't want you to use Dreamweaver. I want you to continue to use the Text Wrangler. This is a very easy section, so just pay attention carefully. Notice that if I look at Text Wrangler, okay, this information right here, all of this, pretty much the same information that is right here. It looks a little different because it's not indented like this. The purpose of indenting is so you can see that the head tag goes from here to here and that everything indented is inside the head tag. But it doesn't matter. You could put all this text on one line and it would work just the same as far as the computer is concerned. So again, since this is the same, let's go over here and take a look at this. I'm going to look at this page in Design View, and you will learn this Dreamweaver very soon, so just be patient here. But here we have the same results, and we call this page Page 1, and notice that if I split this, split view, the page title now is Page 1. That's what shows up here in Dreamweaver. It also shows up at the top of the page. Okay. So now what you need to do is you've created this page and hopefully these links were done correctly. Okay. You will save this as. You will do File, Save As, and you will change this to page _2 and save it in your new site folder. Okay? And then you'll do the same thing. You'll say File, Save As, and this time you'll say Page 3 and save. Okay? Then you'll do it again. You'll do File, Save As, and you'll do Page 4. Okay, so now you'll have 4 pages in your sites folder, the new folder you created. Now you won't see it here like this because you're not using Dreamweaver yet. But what I will want you to do next is, based on what you've already learned, and I'm going to go back to Design View, is make each page different in the following way. Page 2 should have a background of yellow. Page 3 should have a background of light blue. Page 4 should have this magenta color. Also notice that this page has the style of red for the inline style. That's what we showed you before. Page 2, the H1 is blue. That should be up in the internal style sheet. That's up there inside the head tag. Page 3, blue again for the H1 tag. Page 4 is different. We made it white. We made the H1 tag white. Okay? So I want you to create all 4 of these pages. You should test these links to see they actually work. And I think what I'll do is, let me go back here. When we get to Dreamweaver, you should preview this in Safari. So if I click page 1, it goes to page 1, page 2 goes to page 2, page 3 goes to page 3, and page 4 goes to page 4. So again, notice the difference in color of the text and the background. Blue text, white text. When you get that completed, I'll show your instructor for credit, and then we will move on to the next portion of this particular section, which has to do with external style sheets, and that's where we're really headed, the most important part.